हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी को मिलते हैं फुल्ली एक्सेसिबल टॉक पैक के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी, जॉब अलर्ट से संबंधित नई नई अपडेट्स। इन नई अपडेट्स को पाने के लिए चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब और पास में बने बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके कीजिए ऑल पे सेट, ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारी वीडियो की सबसे पहले अपडेट। तो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल।
Now we will talk about the various vacancies for the post of executives and assistant manager. So for the post of executives, which is on contract basis, the number of seats for visually impaired candidates is 10, and for the assistant manager grade A post, the number of seats for visually impaired candidates is 5. Now talking about the important dates for this particular examination. So the last date for online registration and payment of application fee is June 17, 2022. And talking about the tentative date of online test, so the tentative date for online test of executive on contract post, the date is of July 9, 2022, and for the admission to IDBI Bank PGDBDF 2022-23, the date of examination is July 23, 2022. Now we will discuss about the selection process for both the posts. So for the post of executive, which is on contract basis, the selection process shall comprise of an online test, document verification and pre-recruitment medical test. And for the post of assistant manager grade A, the selection process shall comprise of an online test, document verification, personal interview and a pre-recruitment medical test. Now talking about the structure of the online test, so the online test shall contain 4 sections. So the first section is that of logical reasoning, data analysis and interpretation, and it has 60 questions with a maximum of 60 marks. Then the next section is English language, which contains 40 questions with a maximum of 40 marks. The third section is that of quantitative aptitude with 40 questions and a maximum of 40 marks. And at last we have general/economy/banking awareness/computer/IT. So this section contains 60 questions and a maximum of 60 marks, and the duration of the test is 2 hours. And for each question for which a wrong answer has been given by the candidate, 1/4 or 0.25 of the marks assigned to that question will be deducted. Now coming to the relaxation of upper age limit, so person with benchmark disabilities as defined under the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, for these candidates the maximum age relaxation given is 10 years. Now we will talk about the important section, that is the guidelines for persons with benchmark disabilities using a scribe. So the visually impaired candidates and candidates whose writing speed is adversely affected permanently for any reason can use their own scribe. In all such cases where a scribe is used, the following rules will apply. Number 1, the candidate will have to arrange his or her own scribe at his or her own cost. Number 2, the qualification of the scribe should be above matriculation but at least one level below the qualification of the candidate. The candidate will have to upload a declaration, which is the proforma given at Annexure 2, confirming that the scribe fulfills all the stipulated eligibility criteria for a scribe. Further, in case it later transpires that the scribe did not fulfill the eligibility criteria or suppressed or misrepresented material facts, the candidature of the candidate will stand cancelled, irrespective of the result of the online test, and services would be terminated if appointed. The number 3, the scribe may be from any academic stream. Number 4, those candidates who use a scribe shall be eligible for compensatory time of 20 minutes or otherwise advice for every hour of the examination. Number 5. The scribe arranged by the candidate should not be a candidate under either of the advertised post. If violation of the above is detected at any stage of the process, candidatures for the captioned process of both the candidate and the scribe will be cancelled. Candidates eligible for and who wish to use the services of a scribe in the examination should invariably carefully indicate the same in the online application form. Any subsequent request may not be favorably entertained. Number 6. Only candidates registered for compensatory time will be allowed such concessions, since compensatory time given to candidates shall be system-based. It shall not be possible for the test conducting agency to allow such time if he or she is not registered for the same. Candidates not required for compensatory time shall not be allowed such concessions. Now, when we talk about the guidelines for candidates availing compensatory time, so for the visually impaired candidates who suffer from not less than 40% of disability, they may opt to view the contents of the test in magnified fonts, and all such candidates will be eligible for compensatory time of 20 minutes for every hour or otherwise advice of examination. The facility of viewing the contents of the test in magnifying font will not be available to visually impaired candidates who use the services of a scribe for the examination. Now, talking about the payment of fee, so the payment asked for the PWD candidates, that is only intimidation charges, is rupees 200. So only rupees 200 is to be paid for applying for the post. So that is all for today, and eligible candidates may apply for the post in the IDBI Bank. Thank you.